Hey there, it's Dan the Cleaning Man, and today we're diving into the world of eco-friendly cleaning. If you're looking to keep your home spotless while protecting the planet, then stick around, because I've got some seriously game-changing hacks that'll have you cleaning green and feeling great. First off, let's talk about the stuff you're probably already using to clean: chemical-laden cleaners. They may get the job done, but at what cost? Many of them contain harmful chemicals that pollute our water supply, harm wildlife, and even affect our health. That's right, the same products that give you that fresh, clean smell can be doing more harm than good. But don't worry, we've got some easy and affordable alternatives that'll make your home cleaner and greener. Hack number 1, DIY All-Purpose Cleaner. This one's super simple, and you probably already have the ingredients sitting in your kitchen. You'll need white vinegar, water, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of essential oil for a nice scent, and voila! You've got a cleaner that's not only effective on surfaces like countertops and sinks, but also completely non-toxic and safe for the environment. The vinegar works to break down dirt and grime, while the essential oil leaves everything smelling fresh, minus the harsh chemicals. Plus, it's a huge money saver. Now I know what you're thinking. Vinegar? Won't my house smell like salad dressing? Don't worry, the scent fades quickly, and what's left behind is a squeaky clean surface without the chemical residue. And if you're still not convinced, try citrus-infused vinegar. Just toss some orange or lemon peels into a jar of vinegar, let it sit for a couple of weeks, and boom! You've got a naturally scented cleaner that smells amazing and works wonders. Hack number 2, baking soda magic. Baking soda is a miracle worker when it comes to cleaning. It's not only great for scrubbing away tough stains and grease, but it's also completely eco-friendly. Need to clean your oven? Ditch the toxic oven cleaners and make a paste using baking soda and water. Spread it on the oven walls, let it sit for a few hours, or overnight if things are really grimy, and then wipe it away with a damp cloth. No toxic fumes, no harmful residue, and your oven will look brand new. Plus, baking soda is dirt cheap. You can even sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming for a natural deodorizer. All right, on to hack number 3, the power of lemons. Not only are lemons a great addition to your water, hello hydration, but they're also incredible natural cleaners. Lemons have antibacterial properties, and the acidity can cut through grease like a champ. Have a cutting board that's seen better days? Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle a bit of salt on the board, and scrub with the lemon. It'll lift stains, kill bacteria, and leave your board looking and smelling fresh. You can also use lemon juice to shine up faucets, clean glass, or even remove stains from countertops. And the best part? It's 100% biodegradable. Let's not forget about waste reduction. Hack number 4 is ditch the paper towels. It's tempting to reach for those paper towels when you've got a mess, but over time they add up, and not just in your wallet. The average household goes through thousands of paper towels every year, contributing to deforestation and landfill waste. Instead, invest in some reusable cleaning cloths. Microfiber cloths are fantastic for dusting and wiping down surfaces, and you can toss them in the wash when you're done. Or, if you're feeling crafty, you can even cut up old t-shirts to make your own rags. Not only will you reduce waste, but you'll save money too. It's a win-win. For hack number 5, let's talk about the air in your home. Air fresheners may smell nice, but they're often packed with chemicals that can affect air quality. Instead, opt for natural air fresheners. You can simmer a pot of water with some cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange peels on your stove for a natural, inviting scent. Or make your own room spray using water, witch hazel, and you guessed it, essential oils. Not only will your home smell amazing, but you won't be releasing harmful chemicals into the air. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, are there any eco-friendly cleaning products I can just buy? Absolutely. If DIY isn't your thing, there are plenty of brands out there that offer eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning products. Look for products that are biodegradable, free from harsh chemicals, and packaged in recyclable materials. Many companies are now even offering refill stations so you can cut down on plastic waste while keeping your home clean. And before we wrap things up, let me hit you with a bonus hack. Use cold water for laundry. Washing your clothes in cold water can save a significant amount of energy. Most of the energy used by a washing machine goes toward heating the water, so making the switch to cold can drastically reduce your energy consumption. Not only is this better for the planet, but it's also gentler on your clothes, helping them last longer. And if you're really feeling eco-friendly, consider hanging your clothes to dry instead of using a dryer. Fresh air and sunshine are free after all. So, there you have it. Eco-friendly cleaning hacks that not only make your home sparkle, but also help save the planet. From vinegar and baking soda to reusable rags and cold water laundry, these small changes can make a big difference. It's all about reducing waste, using natural ingredients, and being mindful of our impact on the environment. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more sustainable living tips. Remember, every little step counts. Together we can make a difference. Thanks for watching, and happy green cleaning!